Hi friends, welcome to Malik Raw Food channel. In case you are new here, in this channel I post videos on food recipes that do not require any kind of roasting, frying, cooking. In fact, no heating is necessary. These are healthy raw food recipes without any heating. So today we will discuss mint vegetable dressing. This dressing can be used for vegetable salads, in particular because of its somewhat sweet taste with a tinge of sourness and a strong flavor due to the olive oil in it. It stays in the fridge for a few days and it's a healthy alternative to the store bought dressings. I think you should try it to believe it. So, what is good about this? Why are we making this? It provides healthy fats and proteins due to the cashews and the olive oil we use in the recipe. These are healthy good fats. They will help to provide lot of energy. Also the monounsaturated fats of olive oil is very good for heart. Similarly, the proteins in cashews help the body build new cells. It keeps hunger at bay. Cashews and olive oil are rich in energy. They also digest slow when compared to carbohydrate based food. So you will not feel hungry if you add decent amount of this dressing to your salads. Salads by themselves, even when consumed in large quantities, will make us hungry again very soon. It has lot of vitamins and minerals due to honey and lemon. They will help us against the common cold and also resisting other diseases. And above all, this is very tasty, such a delicious dressing that it will instantly make your salads much more interesting to eat. The ingredients needed are quite simple: cashews, olive oil, water, lemon, honey, and pinch of salt. Sea salt is my preferred salt, but you can use any salt. So we'll pull up all the ingredients: 2/3 cups of cashews, half cup clean drinking water, and then one lemon. I started with two, but actually needed only one of them. It was juicy. And then we take olive oil, 2 tablespoons, honey, 2 tablespoons, sea salt or any other salt of your choice, 1 pinch, and 10 to 15 mint leaves, preferably fresh ones will do. So dump everything into a blender and process them at a high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. We should ensure that it has a very smooth texture, such as the one that you see here. Pour it into any bottle of your choice. You can refrigerate it, but without refrigerating also it may stay for some days. I usually keep it in the refrigerator and I think it will easily last for more than a week. And you can use this dressing with any salad of your choice. It will go well with vegetable salad because this is sweet in itself. Now, to be honest, I am not big salad eater myself. I don't eat vegetable salads a lot particularly, but dressings such as this makes it very interesting for me to have even vegetable salads. The one that you see here, zucchini, is one such. In case you want to know how I made this, please look up my video for the same. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and the recipe. I suggest that you make this and also try it out yourself. While you are there, can you please hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and also please post some comments please. How do you find this video? Did you make it? Did you like it? Whatever it is, if you had some challenges, let me know. I might be able to help. Thanks for your time.